Hi, if you want to change video quality option into screen recording into your VIVO V20 SE, firstly open Settings and then find into Settings Shortcuts and Accessibility, and then you click as Capture option, this one. Then scroll down and on the bottom we got a screen recording option, this one, and here we got picture quality, so click it and choose, for example, high option, and when you choose it save automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.